It's well known that cosine pi over 3, that is cosine 60 degrees, equals to half. Then we are asked to find what is cosine pi over 5 multiplied with cosine 2 pi over 5. What will be the answer? So find the value of cosine pi over 5 times cosine 2 pi over 5. One of the way of doing that is we let this as a p. And we can multiply both sides with 4 sine pi over 5 sine 2 pi over 5. And this also the same. For 4, I will write as 2 times 2 sine pi over 5 and sine 2 pi over 5. Multiply with cosine pi over 5 cosine 2 pi over 5. Why we want to do that is because we know that sine 2 theta equals to 2 sine theta cosine theta. So we can form the first 2 sine cos and the second 2 sine cos. So the first 2 sine cos is actually equals to sine 2 pi over 5. And the second one will be sine 4 pi over 5. Sine 2 pi over 5 is good. And sine 4 pi over 5, it is actually equals to sine pi over 5. They are exactly same here, sine 5 over pi, sine 2 pi over 5. And therefore, p is equals to 1 over 4. So the answer for this is 1 over 4. After we have these two equations, can you see any pattern? And what is the next thing that you predict? Using similar argument, it is not difficult to prove that cosine pi over 7, cosine 2 pi over 7, cosine 3 pi over 7 will equal to 1 over 8. And how to prove that? You just need to do the similar thing. Say that this is equal to p, cosine pi over 7, cosine 2 pi over 7, cosine 3 pi over 7. And multiply with 8 of sine pi over 7, sine 2 pi over 7, and sine 3 pi over 7. And group them, pair them up accordingly, and you will see that they will cancel off and give you the answer equals to 1 over 8. So with this, we will know that the product of cosine k pi over 2n plus 1, it will be equal to 1 over 2n. Okay, so this is a very nice result, and it is not difficult to prove. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again next time.